Whenever we think of sports based cinema, the first thing that comes to our mind is an underdog with his passion for something, his love interest, a twist before the ending, and finally the glory. Tufan is no different. Tufan is a story of a boxer Aziz Ali, played by Farhan Akhtar, who is shown as an extortionist or a gangster initially. His profession was to collect debt for Jafar Bhai, played by Vijay Raj. Then he meets Ananya, played by Mrunal Thakur, who gives him reason to become a boxer under the training of Nana Prabhu, played by Paresh Rawal. And this movie becomes the transformation story of Farhan Akhtar. And that's it. So here I am telling some good and bad points of Tufan. Predictable storyline. From the minute the cinema starts, it becomes so predictable. Sometimes you even can predict the next dialogues of the characters. If you guys watched Sultan before, then you will see so many similarities or the same story with different characters and the same ghisi-piti climax. Too long duration. The cinema spans for 2 hours and 41 minutes. The unnecessary stretching of the story when there are too many scenes on the cinema whose absence would not affect the cinema at all. It's hard to watch a movie for so long, especially when the story is so much predictable. In the presence of too many songs and the outdated jokes by Mrunal will make you feel even more bored. Unutilized talent of the actors. The film star cast have such a great talent from the industry like Supriya Pathak, Vijay Raj, Hussein Dalal and Darshan Kumar. But as the story progresses, we see no such roles of them in the movie. Vijay Raj's character as Jafar Bhai was barely shown in the movie. Plus Supriya Pathak's character as Mrs. D'Souza, Hussein Dalal as Munna don't have much to provide. And after watching Darshan Kumar's performance in The Family Man, if you are expecting much from him in this movie, then you will be disappointed. The entire point is, this film could have provided the extremely talented actors something more to showcase. The transition of the characters. Initially, when you see Mrunal's character as Ananya, who played a doctor, is an independent girl who don't want to leave her father for any boy. But after some times, she is ready to leave everything for her recent pyar, which is funny. And after that, nothing of her character was shown as a doctor or daughter. She was only there in the movie for the purpose of encouragement of the lead, Aziz Ali. Coming to the good points, Farhan Akhtar. The impressive performance by Farhan Akhtar. After watching Bhaag Milkha Bhaag, we expect a lot from him, and he will not disappoint you. He perfectly suits the character of Aziz Ali as a boxer, and his transformation of body from time to time, which are the requirement of the film, is commendable. Screen share of the female lead. In sports-based cinema, we usually don't get to see a lot from the female lead. They are just there ऐसे ही. But Tufan is different in this case. The female lead have a good amount of screen timing, and at least she is the main reason whatever happening in the movie. Performance of the cast. Despite having small roles, the supporting cast did a great job. All of them satisfied their characters in their small timing. And of course, Paresh Rawal as Nana Prabhu did a great job. So these are the points to decide whether you should invest 161 minutes on this movie or not. So that's the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. For more contents like this, please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. Thank you.